The unpredictable grid, be ready. Power outages happen, storms, accidents, who knows? The grid is a complex system and sometimes it just fails. It could be a tree falling on a power line, a car accident taking out a utility pole, or even a citywide blackout. The reasons are endless, but the result is the same: no power. Doesn't matter when it hits, only that you're prepared. Imagine the lights go out suddenly. It's pitch dark and you can't see a thing. You fumble around looking for a flashlight. If you're prepared, you know exactly where it is. If not, you're left in the dark, quite literally. Preparation is key. We're talking basic survival, being able to cook, eat, stay warm when the grid goes down. Think about it. No microwave, no electric stove, no heating. How will you cook your meals? How will you stay warm? A portable stove and some canned food can make a world of difference. And don't forget a manual can opener. Now, you don't need fancy gear or a bunker full of MREs. You don't have to spend a fortune to be prepared. Simple, everyday items can be lifesavers. A few basic camping supplies, some extra batteries, and a good old-fashioned candle can go a long way. We're going to get you set up with a working emergency kitchen, all using stuff from the dollar store. Yes, you heard that right. The dollar store has everything you need to create an emergency kit. From canned goods to candles, you can find it all without breaking the bank. That's right, $1 per item, and you'll be able to handle most short-term outages. Imagine having a fully stocked emergency kit for just a few dollars. It's not about spending a lot, it's about spending wisely. A little planning and a few dollars can make a huge difference. This is about being resourceful and having the right gear. It's about knowing what you need and where to find it. So let's dive in and get you set up for any power outage that comes your way. Together, we can make sure you're ready for anything. We'll dive into how you can create an efficient, budget-friendly emergency kitchen using items from your local dollar store. The key here is thinking practically. You need to focus on what's essential and what will keep you going when the power is out and resources are limited. Start by planning your kitchen setup with the basics in mind. Forget your oven, your microwave, all that. In an emergency, these appliances are useless without electricity. Instead, think about alternative methods of cooking and heating food. We're going back to basics. Simple tools like manual can openers, sturdy pots, and pans are your best friends. These items are not only affordable but also incredibly useful in a pinch. Heat source. No electricity means no stovetop. We'll cover safe alternatives. Consider a portable camping stove or a gas burner. These are compact, easy to use, and can be lifesavers when you need to cook without power. Cooking tools. Simple, durable items that work without plugging in. Think about what you can use manually. A good set of knives, a cutting board, and a sturdy metal pot can go a long way. Food and water. Non-perishable stuff that's easy to prepare. Stock up on canned goods, dried foods, and bottled water. These items have a long shelf life and can be easily stored. This is your emergency setup, which is about survival. Make sure you have enough supplies to last at least a few days. It's not meant to be gourmet dining. Focus on meals that are easy to prepare and require minimal ingredients. Think soups, stews, and simple pasta dishes. It's about having a plan and the tools to execute it when things go south. Make a checklist of all the items you need and keep your emergency kitchen well stocked. Preparation is key to weathering any storm. Here's your shopping list. When it comes to preparing for emergencies or just stocking up on essentials, the dollar store can be your best friend. With just a few bucks, you can gather a range of items that will serve you well in various situations. Hit that dollar store and grab these. These items are not only affordable, but also incredibly useful. Whether you're preparing for a camping trip, an emergency, or just want to have some handy tools around the house, these essentials will cover your basic needs without breaking the bank. 1. Manual can opener. Forget electric ones. This is your lifeline to canned goods. In a power outage or while camping, a manual can opener is indispensable. It's small, easy to use, and doesn't rely on electricity. Plus, it can open a variety of cans, making it a versatile tool in your kitchen or emergency kit. 2. Metal cooking pot. Lightweight, durable, works over a camp stove or open flame. A metal cooking pot is essential for boiling water, cooking meals, and even sterilizing equipment. Its durability ensures it can withstand high temperatures, and its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry around. Whether you're at home or in the wilderness, a metal pot is a must-have. 3. Metal utensils, fork, spoon, a sturdy knife, keep it simple and metal. Metal utensils are not only more durable than their plastic counterparts, but also more hygienic. They can be easily cleaned and reused, making them a sustainable choice. A sturdy knife can also double as a tool for various tasks, from cutting food to carving wood. 4. Heavy-duty aluminum foil. Wrap food, make a makeshift lid, countless uses. Aluminum foil is incredibly versatile. You can use it to wrap food for storage or cooking, create a makeshift lid for pots, or even fashion a temporary cooking surface. Its reflective properties can also be used to signal for help in an emergency. 5. Plastic drop cloths. Protect your floor from spills or use as a makeshift tarp. Plastic drop cloths are great for protecting surfaces from spills and stains. They can also be used as a makeshift tarp to provide shelter from the elements. In a pinch, they can even serve as a ground cover to keep you dry while camping. 6. Candles. Light and some heat, plus they signal for help if needed. Candles are a reliable source of light during power outages. They can also provide a small amount of heat and can be used to signal for help if you're in a remote area. Keep a few candles in your emergency kit to ensure you have light when you need it most. 7. Matches or lighter. Multiple ways to start a fire, keep them dry. Fire is essential for cooking, warmth, and signaling for help. Having multiple ways to start a fire, such as matches and a lighter, ensures you're prepared for any situation. Keep them dry and store them in a waterproof container to ensure they work when you need them. 8. Large plastic bucket. Water storage, washing dishes, you name it. A large plastic bucket is incredibly versatile. Use it to store water, wash dishes, or even as a makeshift toilet in an emergency. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle a variety of tasks, making it an essential item for any household or emergency kit. 9. Dish soap and sponge. Hygiene is crucial, even in an outage. Keeping things clean is important, even during an emergency. Dish soap and a sponge allow you to maintain hygiene by cleaning dishes, surfaces, and even yourself. A clean environment helps prevent the spread of germs and keeps you healthy. 10. Hand sanitizer. No running water? This keeps things clean. In situations where running water is not available, hand sanitizer is a lifesaver. It helps keep your hands clean and reduces the risk of infection. Keep a bottle in your emergency kit, car, and bag to ensure you can sanitize your hands wherever you are. 11. Paper towels. Cleaning up, drying off, versatile and compact. Paper towels are incredibly useful for cleaning up spills, drying off wet surfaces, and even serving as makeshift napkins. Their compact size makes them easy to store, and their versatility ensures they can handle a variety of tasks. 12. Heavy-duty trash bags. Keep your space clean and contain garbage. Heavy-duty trash bags are essential for keeping your space clean and containing garbage. They can also be used to store items, create a makeshift rain poncho, or even as a ground cover. Their durability ensures they won't tear easily, making them a reliable choice for various tasks. 13. Duct tape. Fix almost anything in a pinch. Duct tape is known for its versatility and strength. Use it to repair broken items, seal containers, or even create makeshift tools. Its adhesive properties make it a valuable addition to any emergency kit or toolbox. 14. Permanent marker labeling. Leaving messages essential tool. A permanent marker is an essential tool for labeling items, leaving messages, and even marking your territory. Its waterproof ink ensures your markings won't fade, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. 15. Notepad and pen. Write down instructions. Keep track of supplies. A notepad and pen are invaluable for writing down instructions, keeping track of supplies, and even jotting down important information. In an emergency, clear communication is crucial, and having a way to write things down ensures you won't forget important details. Beyond the basics, fuel and first aid. Those 15 items are your foundation. Now let's talk about two crucial additions: fuel and first aid. Fuel candles are good, but you need more. Small propane camping stoves are ideal. Check your local regulations for indoor use. Charcoal is another option, but only use it outdoors with proper ventilation. First aid. Accidents happen, especially in the dark. A basic kit is a must-have. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers. Be prepared. Share your dollar store finds. I've given you the essentials, but there's always room for improvement. What are your go-to dollar store items for power outages? Share your best tips and tricks in the comments below. Building your long-term food plan. This dollar store setup is your short-term solution. For longer outages, you'll need a more comprehensive plan. Think about Water purification tablets or a filter to make any water source safe. Long-term food storage. Rice, beans, canned goods that last for months. Alternative cooking methods. Solar ovens, rocket stoves for outdoor use. Remember, preparedness is a journey, not a destination. Start small, build gradually, and you'll be ready for anything. Thanks for watching.